Calculating the amount of product or reactant. This is very similar to the 2 pages that we did before. It kind of puts them both together. So now not only are we figuring out what the reaction is, but also what mass is missing from it. Okay, so in the worksheet before this one, we were looking at how to write, I believe it's on here, how to write out a reaction from words. Now, we're not just writing out the reaction from words, we're then figuring out the missing mass like we did in the conservation of mass problems that you did a couple pages ago. So what we're going to do, like this one, now this one shows the chemical formulas for them and the rest of them don't. You don't have to figure out the chemical formula for all of them. You just need to know which side of the arrow they belong on, and you can always write out the name of each compound if you'd like, so that you know you're putting it in the right place. Okay, so here it says a 10-gram sample of limestone, which is mostly CaCO3, so we have 10 grams of CaCO3, was heated until no more weight loss was recorded. So in other words, if you heat it and it's losing weight, it must be going through some sort of chemical reaction. So here's the reaction, and it says the residue, and a residue is a leftover substance, CaO, weighed 7 grams. How much CO2 escaped? So the CO2 was the other product that escaped from the reaction. We have 7 grams of CaO, and we want to know how much CO2 there was. So since we have 10 grams on the left-hand side of our equation, we have to have 10 grams on the right-hand side of our equation, which means that 3 grams is missing right here. 7 plus 3 would give us the 10 we started with. So our CO2 is 3 grams. You're going to do the same thing with the rest of these. Write out how many grams were on each side so that you can figure out what is missing from the equation. All right, how much would be recovered of this substance? How much was present in the original solution? Just find the one that's missing and how much is missing from the equation by making sure both sides are equal. If you do still have any questions about this, please come ask.